Hi, Cubbies. Are you ready to see our friend Cubby Bear? Let's call him together. 1, 2, 3. Cubby!
Hi there, boys and girls.
Cubby, you seem excited today, as usual. Why are you so excited?
I am now an important member of the Help Club.
The Help Club? What's that, Cubby?
Oh, it's our new club on Apple Acre Farms. Timothy, Katie, Lovey, and I are all members. Our job is to watch out for people who need help while they're visiting the farm.
Oh, I see. Did you find anyone that you could help today?
Well, Timothy and I saw a lady leaving the apple market. She was carrying a bag full of jams and yummy honey. Ugh.
Did you help her carry the jars?
Timothy offered to help, but she said the jars could break easily, so she needed to carry them herself. She started to walk away when we heard the sound of a whistle. Timothy and I ran to the parade ground.
I blew my whistle to let Timothy know that someone needed help.
Who was it, Katie?
It was Will, Timothy's good friend from Cubbies.
Oh no, what was wrong with Will? Why did he need help?
Will was in a wheelchair because of his broken leg. He was sad because he couldn't play with his friends or ride the Orchard Express, the train on the Apple Acres farm.
Timothy and I realized we could help him. We pushed the wheelchair over to the train, and Mr. Ted, the train conductor, set out the ramp. We were able to push Will's wheelchair up the ramp and onto the train.
Timothy and Cubby were such good friends, and Will was happy that he got to ride the train.
Well, it sounds as if you're all doing a great job helping on Apple Acres Farm.
I hope so. Katie, let's go see if there's anyone else on the farm who needs our help.
Yes, let's go, Cubby. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.